Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss about waste deposit, human waste deposit. As we all know, there are so many waste deposit in most of our African society. Everywhere you go, most of the places you will see a lot of waste deposited. One of the major reason that is associated with this deposit of waste is the increase in our population. The more the population is increasing, the more the rate of consumption increase. Once consumption increase in human society, definitely the deposit of waste is going to be increasing. So there is a cordial relationship between the increase in population and also the waste disposal or waste generated in a society. Human waste include organic waste, organic from organic substances, organic materials we use as our food, as our daily domestic activities we use, and also there is synthetic waste which we synthesize by ourselves. Maybe in the process of packaging some different kind of variety of food, of preserving some of our food and all the rest, and also chemicals that are generated. We all generated this kind of waste to be deposited in our environment. Human waste deposit contaminates soil. Our soil is gotten contaminated by the deposit of our disposal of waste, and also our air got contaminated. The odor, whenever you breathe in, you will feel a very unpleasant odor in our air when the air is polluted or when the air is contaminated, and also water contaminated. These contaminations are is done by the a lot of toxic that will be deposited in our environment, or some chemical that will be also spilled out in the environment, as well as disease causing bacterial agents. Human waste pose potential hazard to the public health. The moment there is so much waste in our environment, definitely there is a risk to the public health of the people in the environment, and also the natural habitats that are within the environment. When not properly transported, it is only happening when these waste are not properly transported, or when these waste are not properly deposited or managed or treated or stored. The moment these waste are being transported very well, they are deposited in the right place, they are managed, or they have been treated or recycled, or they have been stored, there will be no consequences of this as of such. But once these measures are not taken, definitely our waste are going to become a problem in our environment. Negative impact of human waste is the risk of surface water contamination. Most of our surface water will got contaminated, and in fact, a lot of habitat, a lot of marine organisms will not be surviving. We will contaminate. We will destroy our water. In fact, sometimes even water we take for drinking will be very difficult in our environment. Foreign substances such as chemicals, medical waste, fertilizers can also change the chemical compounds of water and can alter the surrounding of ecosystem. These are serious some of the consequences or some of the factors that could alter or that could change the actual composition of water, that will make it unsuitable for the organisms that depend on it to find it comforting in their domestic or in their daily life. Thank you very much.